Adjusting to life with an ostomy following bowel surgery isn't easy or simple, but if Misty Stevens is your nurse, you can be sure that you're receiving the best possible care. Misty is a registered nurse at Peace Arch Hospital and Burnaby Hospital, who specializes in wound, ostomy, and continence care. Misty has only been at these hospital sites for 4 years, but in that relatively short period, she has had a huge impact on patient care.
I started my job at Burnaby Hospital and I was teaching preoperatively and postoperatively in patients, and then I really saw a need about 1 month after I started there that we were really lacking in that transition for patient care. When they went home in the community, there was nothing for them to get that education and support. Our hospitals create ostomies. We do this as a patient need for their health care. And then just like cardiac surgery, there should be support for them afterwards. They should be able to learn how to cope.
She helped standardize wound dressing to reduce infections, created a wound care pamphlet to support patients at home, and worked with hospital administrators to set up a charting and registration system for the outpatient clinic so that care plans can be transferred to other settings, including home and residential care.
Without any kind of support for the patient, they're going to go home and they're going to isolate themselves. They're not going to know how to integrate themselves back into society. We've taken a piece of them. We need to teach them and nurture them.
Prior to Misty establishing a clinic at Burnaby General Hospital, the residents in Burnaby and in Eastern Vancouver that were having problems with leakage of urine or feces from their ostomy had no place to go. So by having this clinic, then patients get good, timely assessment and resolve the issues that they're experiencing, and this promotes their quality of life and makes them become more productive members of their community. Well, I think essentially Misty has gone above and beyond what most of us would need to do in our job.
I really love the connection that I get to create with patients. I get to see them in the crisis in their life, help them move through that crisis, and then at the end, when they have that little flicker of a smile that I know that they're going to be okay, and they come back and say thank you, that's all that matters to me.
Misty, for raising the standards of care for ostomy patients and supporting patients throughout their entire journey, you have been named this year's Healthcare Hero for Fraser Health. Generously sponsored by Pacific Blue Cross.